Hi, my name is Sole. I'm from Buenos Aires, Argentina, and I would like to share with you my experience after doing my 24 hours online Rising Wings Area Yoga Teacher Training. 2 weeks ago, I had the opportunity to start my course. It was an amazing weekend. I met beautiful girls, amazing girls, not only as companion or partners of the course, but also beautiful people that share the same passion of being on air or flying together. I met Amber, Victoria, Linda, Stacia, and Nancy, as well as my amazing and beautiful teacher, Lindsay. The course was an experience that I'm sure I will never forget. It changed me a lot because I'm another type of yoga teacher, and having the opportunity to learn from Lindsay, sharing my hammock with her, and having the opportunity to share virtual way with other girls from other countries was something absolutely amazing. We spent 3 days connecting us from different countries at different time. Once Lindsay was starting at 6:30 in the afternoon, I was connecting myself 10 a.m. in the morning. I was really different, and we connected for 5 hours each day, sharing an unbelievable experience, learning a lot. I found myself studying after the course, after each night, studying and practicing the language that I wanted to incorporate. That was something very important for me, as I speak in Spanish, to have the ability to incorporate the correct and the proper language to use. Using my hammock, it was something amazing. I'm still, of course, looking forward to upload my videos and to finish my course. But honestly, from the bottom of my heart, I would love to say that it was something that I will never forget, and that gave me something, not only knowledge and a new experience and tips for doing something that I would like to improve in my life, but also being connected from people far away, having the amazing opportunity to meet Lindsay after all. And I would love to thank her for receiving me, for offering me her knowledge and the patience to teach me and correct me and improve me all the time to be a better aerialist. It's an opportunity that I'm sure you won't want to miss. If you have the opportunity, do it. It's something that's going to change your life, and I hope you feel the same way as I do, and you fall in love with this amazing course. I would like to thank all my partners of sharing the course with me, and my amazing teacher. And I hope all of you can take the advantage of this course. It's something unbelievable, and I'm sure you're going to love it as well as I did. So namaste, and thanks a lot for watching this, and I hope to be one of the aerialists as I'm being right now. Bye.